Welcome back, guys. Capitalization channel. Today we'll talk about others chart and others dominance. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, the chart for others crypto cap, I think, is still the same, still relevant, and I'm waiting the new all-time high for 598 billion capitalization. I'm not sure we're gonna reach the 878 billion capitalization this cycle, but at least one new all-time high I think we will see. For the altcoins, not all altcoins will perform because it's impossible and not enough liquidity to pump all of these fancy useless tokens in the same time. Some of them will survive, some of them not, and I hope a lot of will not survive. I hope we will see the really hard regulation, because a lot of altcoins just soft rug pull. So the venture funds just create a game when they can on priority round invest in the tokens. After that, just shield some fancy solutions, fancy I don't know, like a blockchain attach, and slowly but surely rug the people together with the team, maybe with exchanges, and just move out. The millions, just not a millions, but dozens, and maybe even the hundreds tokens just list to centralized exchanges, altcoins, I mean, and delist it. And after that, nobody cares. So sorry, it's just a market. So we need to see some hard regulation. We need to see less tokens at the market. So the the liquidity of the institutional, of the big players, of the market makers on centralized exchanges focused on the normal tokens, not a spread between the millions tokens, because only on Solana, 80 million tokens exist in the last, I don't know, few years. Millions, just imagine millions. It's on a Palm Fund, on all main launch pads, and it's kind of weird. So it's not enough liquidity to pump all of this tokens. That's why the fundraising rounds grab all liquidity, That's why the venture funds just grab all liquidity, some insiders grab all liquidity and inflow the money into BTC and some few altcoins. That's why we not so far by market capitalization, others, we are at 50% to new all-time high on capitalization, and many altcoins, old one, the fresh new one. Take a look at Celestia. It was the $20, now it's $1.72. The Manta, Jupiter, Layer Zero, Zcash, Arbitrum, Optimism, Starknet, I have many tokens just laid down at the almost all-time low, but capitalization of altcoins, 50%, not so far from the all-time high. Not so far from the last leg up to the half trillion. It's kind of weird. So imagine we pump the 84% up. Which token will perform? Which not? And that's why the 3x, like 300%, 400%, 500% looks wow this cycle. Because the liquidity not concentrated in the like 50 tokens, 100 tokens. It's spread between the 1,000 tokens. That's why some tokens pump it and some not. That's why it's hard to say which one will pump. That's why we can't know. We can't compare, the Zone 21 cycle and Zone 24, Zone 25. It was totally another story. Based on indicators now, no money inflow. So the main money inflow was here in May 2022 on the weekly time frame. Monthly time frame, zero money inflow. RSI bearish awareness was here, now nothing. So first take, guys, this is a FIP absolutely relevant. We tracked this FIP since Zone 22, I guess. So this is a next step for others capitalization, 365, 386. Around here, I guess the BTC dominance will be around 51, 52%. So many alts will perform. If we will see some crazy 878 billion capitalization, I think in this case the BTC dominance should be around I don't know, under 45, I guess. So correction. Can we see the correction again? Basically yes. Basically to 252 or 285. Do I believe in this one? No, I'm not. Is it looks like we formed a head and shoulder, and this is a end of cycle, and we're going down to hell and in the new bear market? Maybe yes, but I don't think so. Also, so just in case, because a lot of people will start looking at this pattern and open short, maybe out of the alts, and I think we'll see the last leg up and just grab this liquidity, and after that we'll go into the bear market. Monster time frame, also no makes sense to drop the alts now. What's the point to drop the alts? Of course the venture funds with the seed round still on many tokens in the crazy profit. You can just open the crypto rank, type the Celestia, and check what the price was on the seed round for the Celestia, and how they control the emission, because we can't know how they spread the emission between a supply between the wallets. We can't control it. We see only the open data. So take a look now with ADZ direction. Weekly time frame, guys. I think we should form the bigger divergence. Here's the top, and divergence. Form divergence with drop. Here's another top, and we are not in divergence. That's why I wish to see the top again. What is bullish target? Because this chart since March 14. Here, this was accumulation, and after that we blast off to the moon. Here's the same accumulation, not even here. So this is accumulation. Nice one. That's why I think we will go higher, form the divergence on a monthly, and it will be the end of cycle. Something like this one. The question is only it's 598 or 878. So I don't think so we're going to see 2 trillion capitalization or so. Even if Ethereum will go to 10K, I don't think so. So this is a case what I'm looking for altcoins now. ADZ. So I'm bullish on alts. Not on all of them, but I'm bullish on alts. And many tokens will not survive, guys, of this cycle. Finally, I hope. We need to refresh the market. We need to reset the altcoins madness around. Direction, we just test the middle line. So I wish the continuation, because if we drop it down, form a double head and shoulder, it's going to be just mind-blowing. And now we'll signal to out of alts, like as we're here March 24, December 24. We are almost at the same level, but not signal to out. So this it's bullish. It's also bullish. Last 2 indicators, guys. Trade on. Buy. The main signal to buy was here. A lot of alts pump it. Inject to pump it. Own pump it. Teller pump it. Render pump it. Fetch AI pump it. A lot of altcoins pump it. Caspa pump it. Many tokens pump it. Just maybe we just you and me choose the wrong tokens. Here was a sell, buy back. Now no main signal to sell or so. Here's a sell. No buybacks on a monthly. Monthly buyback was here in October. Daily time frame. Here locally. I don't like this trend line. So usually when we form something like this one, we come back or test or drop to 285. And after that, anyway, I think we will go higher. This looks like a double bottom. This one, 1, 2, maybe, but I'm not a fan of the patterns. And the last one, guys, is take profit. Take profit on the daily. Here, the road is open to take profit line. It's 381 billion. Exit line 429. Buy line is 192. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. We're gonna test the take profit 348 billion take profit line. Exit line 393 billion. Anyway, we will test it. Should we drop now to the buy line on the weekly? I don't think so. Monthly time frame. This is what I don't like, of course. We trade above the exit line, but we already tested the take profit above, right? Retest the exit line above. So we need to see the last impulse up. And after that, on a monthly, we will see something like, I guess, something like this one. And on the monthly, gonna test the buy line around 145, 211. It's hard to say by timing, the capitalization. This is gonna be the time to in alts again. So just in case, we can come back to this video and test, even we can add alert even to test the buy line on a monthly, and one day we will see that alert notification, and it's going to be the great entry to alts. Now, just a few words about others, dominance. So anyway, guys, I think we will see that altcoin season, not that brightful like everybody waiting for, but altcoins dominance is so underrated now, and we trade so low. So basically we are now at the level of January 21. That time, you remember what's happened: two impulses ups. That's why at least I think the other dominance will go into 15% 25 if we count. This is like a local FIB, and 15.25 and maybe 24.85. I'm not sure about 24.85. If we will see this one, I think it's going to be the 3 drives pattern. 1, 2, 3 new all-time highs. We almost till penny tested the buy line on the weekly. If we will drop again to 6% 73, it's going to be so bad for the alts. That's why I wish to see the bounce from now to 13.38, take profit, exit line 15.25, and after that we can talk about that this is the end of altcoin season, or we will see the next leg up to the top. This is on the monthly time frame. Sell, buyback. Now no buybacks. Here was the last buyback in June. Now nothing. So on the weekly, now we tested a buy line. That's why on the weekly also we have to go to 23 low by FIB 12.98 take profit line, exit line 14.70. So sooner or later, guys, anyway, I think we will, and most likely with just the sidelines, we will go to this area. And after that, we need to see the buy timing, when to out. And also, guys, be careful because not all altcoins will reach the new all-time high or even the high. ADZ weekly, this is accumulation. June was a perfect time to buy. Now we're just in the middle, so this is not a time to out of the alts. Whales accumulated alts. Here, everything okay. What we can't know what alts exactly do they have in plan to pump. Here's a crazy accumulation. Last time, guys, when we saw this accumulation on ADZ on a monthly, like in June 25, it was here in December 16 and August 19. What happened next? You see on the chart. Direction we on the middle line, under the bottom, so everything is so bullish. I repeat again, the main question, we can't know which alts these guys want to pump it this cycle. Maybe not old one, because XRP already, for example, already hit the all-time high. Some old tokens like VeChain, IOTA, Algorand, I don't think so they will hit the all-time highs. That's why we have to build a plan when to out on that altcoins, if you hold it. Not all fresh new tokens will pump it, like StarkNet also. So be careful. But of course, what does it mean to be careful? We can't know which one to choose. We can control only the size, what we're ready to invest in, what the risk. So here's a market mood monthly. We never seen on the BDC, on others dominance, capitalization since February, and nobody care about alts. Here's a disbelief. We never seen the so bullish, at the same time. It's a bearish and the so bullish chart at the same time on the market mode. So when nobody care about alts, it's the right time to buy. And the last, guys, indicator is money power trade on. I showed you, and money power here. This is money in. 1, 2, 3. 3 months in a row, money in. Last time the money in was here, August 19. Of course, I don't think so we see this type of performance. And then June 23. We see the longer accumulation. That's why at least 15.25, it's more than real to see the pumps on alts dominance. Here's also a lot of bullish signal. 2 MACD divergences on the weekly. 2 weeks in a row in June, money into alts. So more bullish signal than bearish. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about others and other dominants. If you'd like to trade with my custom and sell what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.